Hey guys, EBPMAN here. Now in today's video, we're going to take a look at Mag Safe charging solutions for your smartphones, right? Specifically, if you have the brand new iPhone or the previous one that had like this little area here where you do Mag Safe charging, you probably would like to have a solution where you can just connect it to your phone and charge. So today we're going to take a look at this battery solution. It's a battery backup solution from Zerolemon. It has 10,000 amps or milliamp hours of battery power. That's a lot. And the cool thing about it is it attaches to the back of your phone. As simple as that. But guess what? If you have these cases, which we see a lot of, and this is a Pixel 7 Pro, this also works on it as well. Let's go and check it out. So you heard that right. With this solution here from Zerolemon, we basically have a battery backup solution that is going to be really easy to use. I just click the power button. You can see the battery levels, and again, that's a quarter, all the way up to 100%. Over here, what you see that you'll find is a USB-C in and out port, so you can actually plug something into this and charge. You over here have proprietary Apple power as well, so it supports their cable. And then on the back here, this is where the MagSafe connection takes place. Now the cool thing about this is that as soon as you connect this to your iPhone, right, as soon as I connect it to the iPhone right here, it automatically starts charging. So there's no real button to press, right? And if you have, let's say for example, a Pixel, right? And I have this Pixel that has one of these cases. It also charges it as well. And the whole thing about this MagSafe type tech is that it, when it sticks, it has a pretty decent grip on it, right? So it makes it super convenient to charge something because you don't have to find a sweet spot. Now the other cool thing about this is that you also then have the ability to charge devices that don't have MagSafe. So here I plug this in, I'm getting fast charging of my Google, or in this case my Galaxy Fold, right? And what I can then do is take my Pixel, which I have right here, put this one to charge, and now I have two devices charging at the same time. Again, super duper powerful. And then if you happen to have a mixed device home, right, I can put my iPhone here, charge my iPhone and my Samsung phone at the same time. So guys, that completes our review of this battery charger from Zerolemon. See you in the next video.